So we'll come to DDL, DML, DCL, TCL now. So for example, if you have like consider an area in your locality. There are 100 people are there. Those persons need to be allocated into this area which is empty. First of all, you should know how to allocate these 100 people into this particular area. That is first thing. The second thing is, 100 people we can allocate, but we need to give some facilities to those 100 persons, like need to put some hospitals, okay, and we need to put some schools, okay, and offices, like that we need to maintain. So after okay, we thought to put all these things, and also we need to construct for them the houses as well, right? To allocate these 100 people in this area, they need to stay here, right? So for that purpose we need to construct some houses as well. Okay, please just understand the complete scenario. I will margin this one to learn all these DDL, DML, DCL, TCL commands. Okay, fine. First thing is, here these are there, right? The schools, hospitals, buildings, everything, offices. For those things, those are we called in our oracle as, align these ones, okay, called as objects. Okay, objects are nothing but tables, procedures, views, synonyms, okay, triggers, functions, like that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, here first of all, before allocating these 100 people, we should create all these buildings, right? Okay, that means we need to create, before inserting or doing any operations on the data inside the database should allocate some space to that particular data. So for that purpose we need to create those objects first. First step is to create objects. Okay, creating objects. To create these objects we need DDL command, data definition language command. Data definition, it will works only on the structure of the object. It is not going to work on the data. It will works only on the structure. That is called creating the objects. Next, after creating all these objects, okay, after creating all the houses, what we can do? We can allocate these 100 people into all these houses and respective works, right? For that purpose we need to insert, update, delete the data. Okay, this is called DML, data manipulation language. After creating the objects we need to insert, update, delete particular data. Okay, that means we are manipulating the data. That is called as a data manipulation language. Okay. The third one is, after allocating all these guys into these rooms and everything, we need to give some safety to them, right? Like who can access this particular house or this particular school, this particular hospital, this particular office. Okay, that means access, grant or revoke. Okay, access, grant or revoke we need to do for the particular users or for particular data. So for that purpose we need to use DCL, data control language. Okay, this is called a data control language. Okay, I just aligned all these this complete scenario to learn what is DDL, DML, DCL. Okay, I will tell you last about the TCL command, why we need to use the TCL command and all that I will tell you last. Okay.